Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to install and configure the Webkul Multivendor Marketplace app on your Shopify store so you can quickly turn it into a fully functional multi-vendor marketplace. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify store and in the search bar, type Webkul Multivendor Marketplace. Once you find the app, click Install, then click Install again. After installation, you will be redirected to the Multivendor Plans page. Here, you will see 4 available plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Please note, once the app is installed, you will get a 15-day free trial. After that, the standard charges will apply based on the plan you selected. Now, let's take a quick tour of the admin panel. This is the admin dashboard. Here, the key stats about the marketplace are displayed, such as sales, store statistics, store earnings and commissions, top sold products, recently registered sellers, recent orders, out-of-stock products, and most reviewed products as well. Next is the configuration section. This section lets you set up the important details of your marketplace. Here, you can configure settings related to sellers, products, orders, custom fields, discounts, restriction configuration, and shipping methods as well. From the General Configuration section, you can configure general information about your store. For example, you can add the shop name, store logo, business email, domain name, contact number, currency, weight, time zone, and many other details related to your marketplace. Now let's look at the seller section. As an admin, you have full control over managing sellers. You can view all the sellers in your marketplace. From the seller listing section, the admin can add sellers from the dashboard using this button, and each seller gets a separate dashboard where they can manage their products and orders independently. Under the seller section, you will also find options like seller form settings, seller page settings, seller profile page settings, customize seller page, seller policy, and notifications as well. Next is the product section. Here, you'll see the product listing, which displays the complete list of products added by you and all your sellers. You can use the Add Product button to add products to your marketplace. Other submenus like Product Options, Tags, Product Types, Collections, and Import Products are also available in this section. Now, let's move to the Order section. This is where sellers manage their orders, and as an admin, you can also view all the orders placed in your marketplace. Clicking the View button displays the complete details of the order. You will also find important submenus like RMA configuration, invoice configuration, invoice template, draft orders, automated seller invoices, RMA listing, and other options. Next is the commission section. Here, you'll see the list of commissions you've earned per product. You can also export commission details from this page. From here, you can configure global commissions as well as product-wise, seller-wise, and category-wise commissions. There's also a payment management section under seller payments. You can track total earnings, commissions, amounts paid to sellers, and any dues remaining. You can also check which payment method each seller is using in the Seller Payment Method area. The Seller Payment configuration lets you enable payment methods for your sellers, adjust payment settings, and even turn on auto pay. Moving ahead, we have the email settings. Since there are many events like order placed, product approved, and order fulfilled, the app provides customizable email templates. You can edit these templates as needed, and all sent email logs can be viewed in the Mail Log section. Next is the Translation section. Here, you can translate the seller dashboard content into your preferred language. You can even customize labels, headings, and other text fields easily. You can also explore other features like connector apps, featured apps, digital storage, and shop FAQ, and set the terms and conditions for your sellers on your marketplace. If you ever want to upgrade your plan, simply click the Upgrade Plan option. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.